Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some important question for BSc Nursing, CUET, Paramedical, Neet and other entrance exam from the chapter Nuclei. So without any delay, let's start the question. Question number first. What happens to the mass number and atomic number of an element when it emits gamma radiation? Option first. Mass number and atomic number remain unchanged. Option B. Mass number remains unchanged while atomic number decreases by 1. Option C. Mass number increases by 4 and atomic number increases by 2. Option D. Mass number decreases by 4 and atomic number decreases by 2. The correct answer is option A. Mass number and atomic number remain unchanged. Question number second. Alpha particle consists of option A 2 proton and 2 neutron only. Option B 2 electron, 2 proton and 2 neutron. Option C 2 electron and 4 proton only. Option D 2 proton only. The correct answer is option A 2 proton, 2 neutron only. Question number 3. Fusion reaction takes place at high temperature because option first. Nuclei break up at high temperature. Option B. Atom get ionized at high temperature. Option C. Kinetic energy is high enough to overcome the Coulomb repulsion between nuclei. Option D. Molecules break up at high temperature. The correct answer is option C. Kinetic energy is high enough to overcome the Coulomb repulsion between nuclei. Question number 4. In 88 radon 226 nucleus there are option A 138 proton and 88 neutron. Option B 138 neutron and 88 proton. Option C 226 proton and 88 electron. Option D 226 neutron and 138 electron. The correct answer is option B 138 neutron and 88 proton present in this radon. Question number 5. Fusion of nuclei is possible because the binding energy per nucleon in them. Option A increase with mass number at low mass number. Option B decrease with mass number at low mass number. Option C increase with mass number at high mass number. Option D decrease with mass number at high mass number. The correct answer is option D decrease with mass number at high mass number. Question number 6. For effective nuclear forces the distance should be option A 1 angstrom. Option B 10 pm. Option C 0.1 pm. Option D 1 fm. The correct answer is option D 1 fm. Question number 7. Outside a nucleus, option A neutron is stable. Option B proton and neutron both are stable. Option C neutron is unstable. Option D neither neutron or proton is stable. The correct answer is option C neutron is unstable. Question number 8. Nuclear forces are option A short range attractive and charge independent. Option B short range attractive and charge dependent. Option C long range repulsive and charge independent. Option D long range repulsive and charge dependent. The correct answer is option A short range attractive and charge independent. Question number 9. The minimum amount of energy released in annihilation of electron positron is option A 1.02 mega electron volt. Option B 0.58 mega electron volt. Option C 185 mega electron volt. Option D 200 mega electron volt. The correct answer is option A 1.02 mega electron volt. Question number 10. Pick out the incorrect statement from the following. Option A beta emission from the nucleus is always accompanied with neutrino. Option B the energy of the alpha particle emitted from given nucleus is always constant. Option C gamma rays emission makes the molecules more stable. Option D. Nuclear forces is charge independent. The correct answer is option A. Beta emission from nucleus is always accompanied with neutrino. Question number 11. The half-life period of radium is 2000 years. Its average lifetime will be option first 1550 years, option B 2998 years, option C 3000 years, option D 2886 years. The correct answer is option D 2886 years. Question number 12. Half-life period of radioactive element depends upon option A amount of element present, option B temperature, option C pressure, option D nature of element. The correct answer is option D nature of element. Question number 13. Age of a tree is determined using radioisotope of option A carbon, option B iodine, option C cobalt, option D phosphorus. The correct answer is option A carbon. Question number 14. A radioactive sample has half-life of 5 years. Probability of decay in 10 years will be option A 100%, option B 50%, option C 75%, option D 25%. The correct answer is option B 50%. Question number 15. 1 curie is equal to option A 3 into 10 की power 10 disintegration per second, option B 3.7 into 10 की power 7 disintegration per second, option C 5 into 10 की power 7 disintegration per second, option D 3 into 10 की power 7 into 10 3.7 into 10 की power 10 disintegration per second. The correct answer is option D 3.7 into 10 की power 10 disintegration per second. Question number 16. The number of beta particles emitted by a radioactive substance is twice the number of the alpha particles emitted by it. The resultant daughter nucleus is an option A isomer of parent, option B isotone of parent, option C isobar of parent, option D isotope of parent. The correct answer is option D isotope of parent. Question number 17. Isobar are formed by option A alpha decay, option B gamma decay, option C beta decay, option D cosmic decay. The correct answer is option C beta decay. Question number 18. In an atomic bomb, the energy is released due to option A chain reaction of neutron and 192 uranium 235, option B chain reaction of neutron and 92 uranium 238, option C chain reaction of neutron and 92 phosphorus 240, option D chain reaction of neutron and 92 uranium 236. The correct answer is option A chain reaction of neutron and 92 uranium 235. Question number 19. Boron rods in nuclear reactor are used as option A moderator, option B coolant, option C control rods, option D protective shield. The correct answer is option C control rods used. Question number 20. When a nucleus in atom undergoes a radioactive decay, the electronic energy level of the atom, option A do not change for any type of radioactivity, option B change for and beta radioactive but not for gamma radioactive, option C gamma change for alpha radioactive but not for others, option D change for beta radioactive but not for others. The correct answer is option B change for and beta radioactive but not for gamma radioactive. Question number 21. Highly stable nuclei have more neutrons than protons. This is because of the fact that option A neutrons are heavier than protons, option B electrostatic force between protons are repulsive, option C neutrons decay into protons through beta decay, option D nuclear forces between neutrons are weaker than between protons? The correct answer is option B. Electrostatic force between protons are repulsive. Question number 22. The mass of 1 curie of uranium-234 is option A 3.7 into 10 की power 10 gram, option B 3.7 into 10 की power 10 minus, option B 3.7 into 10 की power minus 10 gram, option C 6.25 into 10 की power minus 34 gram, option D 1.438 into 10 की power 11 minus 11 gram. The correct answer is option D 1.438 into 10 की power minus 11 gram. Question number 23. In a nuclear reactor, moderator slow down the neutrons which come out in fission process. The moderator used has light nuclei. Heavy nuclei will not serve the purpose because option A they will break up, option B elastic collision of neutron with heavy nuclei will not slow them down, option C the net weight of reactor would be unbearably high, option D substances with heavy nuclei do not occur in liquid or gaseous state at room temperature. The correct answer is option B. Elastic collision of neutrons with heavy nuclei will not slow them down. Question number 24. The force acting between proton and proton inside the, option A Coulombic, option B both, option C nuclear, option D none of these. The correct answer is option B both, Coulombic and nuclear. Thank you and please subscribe my channel.